the final drive ready to come out. I have it secured real good. I tied the brake pedal so the brake disc won't fall off. Took all the screws out and I'm ready. I'm ready to pull it out. It came out easier than I thought. It was leaking oil from here, from this area, and it also leaked from this seal over here. That's why I took it apart. Rotate good. I'm gonna apply some red silicone in this area after I clean it and I change the seal. Alright, it's all dismantled now. All the bearings look to be in good shape. The sleeve for the bearing look good, both of them. There is no damage to any of the teeth, and I found out why it leaks. This it's broke over here and it's been leaking. Luckily the new one I bought off eBay seems to be the same size, and I even got this seal over here. I don't know if it leaks or not, but I'm gonna change it. The gear looked to be in good shape, and everything inside here looked to be good. The gear. So now I'm gonna do some cleaning and put it all back together. Time for lunch. The potato done and the chicken done. Look good. Lunch is ready. Everything's super clean, ready to go back in. The seal being brushed on both of them, and it's completely dry, and this is how I hold it so I could do the work. I made this blade to hold the shaft, so when I flip it, it won't fall off. and the seal will be damaged, so this will hold it together. Now I'll take it off and put the bearing, and I'll be done with this, and I put it back together. I also use this blade to press the bearing in. It's one easy, then tapping it with a hammer. It is ready to be assembled. I have it real clean and dry. New seal, both of them new, ready to go. Check all tolerances, remove some shim, got it perfect like the manual asking for. This one here ready to go too. I put these to help me guide it into position. And yesterday when I went and bought that carburetor cleaner, I found this at O'Reilly. I think it will be easier to apply than that red silicone. I'm just gonna put it here and on the other side, and then I push it in together. It's back in together. It was hard to put the drive back in. I think because I removed the brake adjuster, I should left it in. On the next one, I'm gonna leave it in until I finish installing the final drive, then I remove it, clean it, and apply some silicone to it so it doesn't leak. But it's back in, everything, torque to specification. I like that silicone, the one you apply by a brush. It's real tacky and real good. Took me about a day and a half to do one, but I do a lot of cleaning and build washers for both of them and figure out how to take it off and put it back in, so hopefully the next one I could finish within one day.